Our team form up on me. Hey.
Hey, what's up? How's your game going?
Pretty good. I got 3 kills.
It's funny. I got 25.
Great.
Hey, what you running?
M4, RIS, 4-grip, tech box, you know. Normal.
Wait, there's no Magpul gear on that.
So?
How do you manage?
I don't follow.
Like what's that?
It's the front side.
You don't got the Mbus Real Steel flip-up sights?
No.
How do you manage? Like, you have to aim.
It's not that hard. You just aim.
No. You need Magpul to be good.
No.
Yeah, you do. How do you think I have 25 kills?
You're a douche.
Nah, I have Magpul.
Remember, Magpul is not a god.